Woodpecker is a renowned brand in the woodworking world, celebrated for their unwavering commitment to quality craftsmanship and innovative designs. Their tools have earned a reputation for excellence, meeting the rigorous demands of professionals and hobbyists alike, setting the bar high within the industry. Now, let's delve into the 21 groundbreaking woodpecker tools that are revolutionizing the art of woodworking. Now here comes the joiner marking gauge from Woodpeckers, a refined tool that addresses the common inefficiencies of traditional marking gauges. With a compact design eliminating unnecessary length in the beam, this latest one-time tool offers precision and comfort in the palm of your hand. Ideal for laying out joinery, it strikes razor-thin lines at preset distances from reference edges, catering perfectly to the typical range required for furniture joinery. The joiner's marking gauge boasts improved ergonomics, fitting snugly in your hand and offering superior balance during marking tasks. Its thoughtful design and practical features make it an essential companion for woodworking projects, so the craftsmen of all levels can achieve accuracy and ease of use for any job. Woodpeckers introduces the 2096 Work-Holding Kit, a solution embodying simplicity and effectiveness for woodworking tasks. Featuring two opposing wedges, one fixed and the other floating, this kit leverages minimal pressure to deliver remarkable gripping strength, ensuring secure workpiece hold without complexity. A straightforward bench stop or dog with a fixed height further enhances stability without the need for springs or clamps, providing reliable support during work. The kit's design is tailored to fit Festool MFT tables, utilizing 20 mm holes on 96 mm centers for compatibility. However, even without an MFT table, users can still benefit from this kit by using Woodpecker's hole boring jig to create custom tabletops with identical spacing and hole sizes, extending its versatility across various work setups. Wondering how to achieve precision and aesthetics in metric tenon cutting without the hassle? Meet the Ultra Shear half-round bits from Woodpeckers, available in a range of diameters from 4 to 14 mm. These bits enable woodworkers to create custom loose tenon material. Unlike ready-made domino tenons, which may lack aesthetic appeal when exposed in through joints, these bits cut precisely engineered profiles that ensure seamless integration and visual appeal. Designed to address the challenge of creating metric tenons with inch round-over bits, Ultra Shear's metric half-round bits offer the perfect solution, delivering accurate profiles at the right sizes for flawless joinery work. Ever found swapping your dust collector hose a cumbersome task? Woodpeckers introduces the innovative Mag-Quii dust ports that will revolutionize the process with rare earth magnets for effortless connectivity. Unlike traditional connectors, these ports utilize magnets connected to a steel ring, eliminating polarity alignment issues and the need for multiple magnetic connectors. Featuring internal and external bevels, the fittings effortlessly guide connections into alignment and slide smoothly into flexible hoses, ensuring a perfect seal with no slipping. Crafted from high-strength ABS, the three robust fittings collector sight, inline machine sight, and surface mount adapter offer durability and versatility for streamlined woodworking operations. Have you ever struggled to keep two pieces of stock perfectly square while working on a project? Woodpeckers introduces the innovative corner lock designed to spring into action whenever you need to secure two pieces of stock square to each other. Whether you're installing fasteners, applying bar clamps, or simply aligning your project, these corner locks make the task effortless. Utilizing a simple yet effective design, just compress the spring and drop the corner lock over the two pieces of stock. The spring captures your material between a square steel corner and two alignment pins, ensuring perfect alignment with minimal effort. With Woodpecker's corner locks, achieving precision and stability in your woodworking project has never been easier. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfection with Woodpecker's gauge blocks. These gauge blocks are here to save you from the frustration of relying on the inaccurate protractor scale of a power tool for precise angles. The latest one-time tool is designed to revolutionize machine setup. Unlike bulky squares prone to their own set of problems, These gauge blocks offer highly accurate angles machined into perfectly sized squares that fit seamlessly next to blades and bits. With gauge block 225 providing flawless 45 and 90 degrees angles, and gauge block 369 delivering impeccable 30, 60, and 90 degrees angles, woodworkers can now achieve precision with ease. Milled and inspected carefully, these gauge blocks ensure accuracy and reliability in every woodworking project. When precision matters in woodworking tasks like marking dovetails or transferring angles, Woodpecker sliding bevel gauges are the tool you need. Featuring a unique locking mechanism, these gauges offer effortless adjustment and secure locking, ensuring your desired angle remains set until you're ready to change it. The locking knob, ergonomically designed to fit between your thumb and finger, provides tactile feedback for tension adjustment, while internally, a wedge multiplies your effort to exert firm gripping pressure on the blade with minimal finger pressure. Whether you're working on intricate joinery or replicating angles from plans, Woodpecker sliding bevel gauges deliver the precision and reliability you need for flawless woodworking results. Introducing the Woodpecker's Mini Square, the ultimate tool for checking the squareness of cutting tool edges. Unlike traditional squares that may be too long or narrow for precise alignment, the Mini Square's compact dimensions of 1 and 1/8 by 2 inches make it perfectly suited for the task. Crafted from lightweight aluminum, it's easy to grip and won't damage your tools. Thanks to its carefully machined edges, the dark red anodized finish enhances visibility, allowing you to easily detect any gaps. Whether in your pocket or its custom-fitted tray, the Woodpecker's Mini Square is always ready to ensure the accuracy of your woodworking tools. Next up, we have the Universal Cross Dowel Jig, an essential tool for effortlessly assembling high-quality furniture with exceptional strength. With its innovative design, this jig facilitates the creation of joints using cross dowels, sturdy pieces of hardware featuring standard threads cut across a steel dowel. By drilling intersecting holes in one piece of stock and matching them in its mating piece, woodworkers can achieve joints with remarkable mechanical strength, perfect for knockdown furniture and various shop projects. Enjoy the convenience of disassembling and reassembling furniture countless times without compromising on durability or stability thanks to the Universal Cross Dowel Jig from Woodpeckers. Who would have thought that angle layout could be so simple? This PosiLock T-square delivers unparalleled accuracy in your panel layout work. With the precisely machined holes and spring-loaded high-tolerance detent ball that pops into them, it will ensure the project is done perfectly. Wondering how? Well, the process is simple. Just snap the head into the angle you want and strike your line. But hold on, there's more to mention. The satin-finished stainless steel blade with a scribing guide will simplify your critical dimensioning too. What else can anyone demand from it? You've met with several challenges when drilling angled holes? Welcome your new auto-angling guide to getting all the angled drilling accurate. The target line engraved in the base will be your favorite feature. Wait, you don't have to rely on the crosshairs only. The fence for the auto-angle fits on all 4 sides to provide absolute support in every job you have. Thanks to its optional flip stops and extension rods, you can easily position a hole. All you need to do is line the index marks in the auto-angle base, set your desired angle on the protractor base, and drill away. No more worries about bulky drill presses. Bring the accuracy with a compact size because Woodpecker brings you the indexable mini double square. This works as a square and a miter square at the same time, and the double is a bit more compact than the combination square. Plus, you'll get a shoulder to get extra support while positioning the square on the edge of your stock. Just push it in with your thumb and it slides out, keeping the head level to ensure accuracy. Want to know a fun part? The blade can be quickly dialed in any full inch mark. Lastly, the mountable wall racket will make storing more convenient, just like that. Isn't it troublesome when working with angles other than 90 degrees? Here is the Woodpecker's very angled clamping fixture that not only clamps 2 pieces of material but also clamps any joints of up to 180 degrees. You'll get 3 different angle ranges in 2 different sizes of the very angle to get a huge clamping range. Each very angle features a laser engrave scale. Let's see how it works. Loosen the ratcheting knob, adjust the fixture, lock the knob in place, and you'll be good going. So simple to operate, yet worthy for every project. These pocket-sized compasses make significant improvements on conventional, larger beam ones. They use a pair of precision machine telescoping body parts that lock onto your desired dimension with a simple twist. These compasses have precision laser engraved imperial and metric scales and a pivot hole on one half of the body. With some easy steps, you can draw accurate circles for your individual applications. Unlike the regular compasses, you can tote these tools in your apron without feeling like a pen cushion. Days of keeping painful pocket compasses are gone. Cutting around corners demands high precision, right? This tool comes in handy to cut perfect radius corners in a single step. Just select the radius you need, index the jig onto your workplace, then bring the jig and workpiece against the bearing to create an accurate radius. When you use it with the Woodpecker's free hand guard, your job will be completely dust-free. Now you don't need to do any extra sanding for round corners. Sounds cool? No time to deal with irregular and mismatched corners? This is a whole new way to soften all your uneven edges, and you can do them with some simple strokes. Thanks to its 90-degree sole and adjustable blade, it allows easy gliding along the corners of your board. Not enough for you? Wait, the easy edge can be used for chamfers 1/4 in radius, 3/16 the radius, and 1/8 radius. Wait, there's more. You'll get flawless cuts even on the highly figured maples. One more worthy feature is each easy edge comes with a wall-mountable racket so that you can store it easily after every use. Okay, take your money and get one. If you don't know these clamps, you may not spend enough time in the shop. The first pro of these bars is they have been surface treated in zinc plated for smooth operation and corrosion resistance for longevity, and the dual durometer molded handles will deliver you extra comfort and a secure grip. Each of the clamps is perfectly designed to use with jobs that demand high precision, plus the using method is definitely going to be much easier than your traditional ones. Don't you think it's time to go to the store again? Next is the Woodpecker Equal Space Driver that instantly positions 6 lines equidistant from each other. This tool moves perpendicular to the space line, so you can draw a crosshatch instead of just a point. Know the amazing part? Once the spacing is locked in, you can repeat the pattern as often as you need. And the thing worth mentioning is you'll get ultimate durability from this space divider, as it is constructed of 301 full hard stainless steel. No worries about storage because it comes with a wall-mountable ratchet for you. Any woodworker will love this tool. The mighty mini scraper from Woodpecker is considered an effective wood scraper ideal for tight spaces. Just fasten the carbide insert to the end of a comfortable handle. With 4 long-lasting sharp edges, the carbide insert conveniently works as a blade and prevents marring on your wood surface. It's so easy to use and deals with the toughest dry glue so easily in an absolute labor-free way. Would you still think it's unworthy? Have you get tight-fitting joints for the next project? Well, this Woodpecker's gap is here to do the job. Wondering how these mini tools can handle it? Yep, they can be adjusted to fit inside or outside of either half of the joint and offer the size needed for a perfect fit. Aside from that, they simply deliver tight-fitting do's. All you need to do is adjust the 2 gauges halves to fit over the board's thickness and tighten the knob. Who doesn't love to have perfect fits? This is Woodpecker's new joiner carver mallet with 4 interchangeable textured solid brass heads designed to strike dead with no recoil. You'll achieve greater accuracy and control while using chisel and carving tools. On top of that, the Aircraft Guide aluminum handle fits comfortably in the palm of your hand so that operations will be a breeze. The joiner carver mallet comes in 3 sets, which will make your tools collection an ideal one. Now it's time to do some fine carving and chisel work. So that was the list of the 30 new amazing Woodpecker's tools for woodworking.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.